So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at $110,000, 373. And today is a good day because you get to see both of my cats. That one is Gara. The other one, I have already told you what his name is. He just knows his name. If I take his name, he will stop sleeping and will get up. And I don't want them to get up. Anyway, we had a case scenario of $112,000, and I told you yesterday that if it loses the area of 112, then it will straightforward bleed below it and it will not stop at 110, because 110 would fail as well. Why? Because all we care about is 112 and nothing else. And that's why today it went down all the way towards 108,600. We had our first target at 107, the next was at 102, and of course we have lower targets than that as well. It didn't fully deliver on it. The delivery that we see is not even a minimum delivery. Minimum delivery should have pushed it towards $107,000. Unfortunately, we did not see that. Now this delivery that we are seeing, it is basically on this overall neckline of this double top, one top, second top, this structure that you are seeing. This is not a full delivery, not even a minimum delivery. It did miss out by a bit, but I mean, what can I say? We saw around $400 million of ETF inflow into Bitcoin, so I think there was a bit of a panic, and that is something that I told you yesterday and day before yesterday. I have consecutively communicated. Losing $110,000, which is a psychological support area, is going to lead to a good amount of panic. Right now it is holding for its dear life and it is trying to hold on to 110, and this is the first candle in the making in an attempt to go back and capture. Let's see what the hell happens. Right now all I care about is 112. For the first time in many days, we have lost 112. We have closed one candle below it. Second candle is in action. If I get my 2 daily candles below $112,000, I would assume downward journey has started. It is going to go and hit 107 and 102 as well. And I think that is going to be the time when ETF investors, individuals who invest through ETF, they will panic, and instead of buying, they will start selling. And I think then finally we will be able to see Bitcoin below 100K, and that will just lead to overall FUD and everything. Now, if you go and you check the market, there would be some kind of news that you can bring in and attach it to this event. But the on-ground reality is that we have structures. We have been following this thing for multiple days without any news. News is just, what do you call it, an after effect of a disaster that was supposed to happen anyway. And it's not even a deeper disaster, to be very frank with you. Things haven't gotten worse yet. I mean, it is still holding to the psychological area of 110. It is still all good. It's still all bullish. Still, you can talk about 120, 132, all that kind of stuff. We need to lose this area, close 2 daily candles below $112,000. Only after that we can get a little bit bearish, and after we lose 100K, then we can get full bearish. And that's everything you need to know about Bitcoin. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.